In this video, Quant just recently had a nice pump to the upside, because in my previous Quant analysis video, I have actually stated that when Quant was hovering around this level right here, I said since we've flipped major resistance now to major support, I'm expecting a retest before a continuation to the upside. And right now, yes, we exactly had a retest right here of previous major resistance, this green box right here, now flipped to major support, and we had a nice little pump to the upside right after. So clearly it looks like we have formed a 5-wave move to the upside right here, and now it looks like we may be having a pullback because there are several indicators stating that we may be having a pullback to the downside. First of all, I guess you can say that we've met resistance as well right here. Let me just pull this up. So I guess you can say we've met little resistance right here, the red line right here. So I guess you can say that's resistance, and right now we're seeing actually a rejection right here. And also if we move to the daily time frame, we are on the RSI actually overbought. So we have approached the overbought area, indicating that in the near or short term, we may be having a pullback to the downside. So if we're going to be pulling back to the downside, what is the price target of this correction? So these are the two key levels to look at. These are the two levels where we may be finding support: the 0.618 level on the fib and the 0.382 level on the fib. So the first target is $120, and the primary target is $140, exactly located inside of this major support zone right here. Keep in mind, this was major resistance, now flipped to major support. So I'm expecting a pullback to this zone right here, this support zone right here, before continuation to the upside, obviously. However, if we fail to hold this support zone right here, obviously our next target would be $120 at the 0.618 level on the fib. So everything is looking healthy for Quant. So in multiple time frames, we're looking good. However, in the daily, yes, again, I've said this, we are overbought in the RSI in the daily time frame. But of course, everything is still intact. Right now in the weekly as well, actually the target of this inverse head and shoulders, since we've broken out of it a couple of days ago, the target of this inverse head and shoulders is actually a pump to around $290. So in the weekly, I'm expecting the pump to continue to our price target of $290. But in the shorter time frame, so we may be having some pullbacks, obviously in the 4-hour and the daily time frame. A pullback is expected, most especially right now in the daily. Again, we are overbought in the RSI, but in the weekly, the target is $290 for this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, sorry I rushed this video. I'm about to go to sleep, but be sure to join my Discord server. I post daily market signals and updates. The link to my server is in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video, take your finger right now, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.